So, Samsung is gearing up to launch its next mid-range phone, the Galaxy A55, and we've got some exciting details about it. The phone recently got certified by the FCC, confirming that it supports fast charging up to 25W. It's likely to have a 5000 mAh battery, similar to its predecessors, the A53 and A54. The A55 will also come with features like dual SIM slots, NFC, and Wi-Fi 6 support. However, unlike some Chinese phones, Samsung hasn't been including a charger in the box, sticking with the 25W charging trend. While the A55 won't upgrade to Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7, it'll still offer solid performance with its Exynos 1480 chip, featuring AMD's graphics technology. Expect it to run Android 14 with One UI 6.1, though it's unclear if it'll have all the AI features of the Galaxy S24 series. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy A55? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.